Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be diving deep into the world of blockchain technology. We are going to create a complete ticketing system using Java and some powerful blockchain concepts. By the end of this video, you'll have a robust understanding of how blockchain can revolutionize ticketing and unlock your potential as a developer. So, let's start from the very basics. What is a blockchain? In its simplest terms, a blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This ensures that the recorded transactions cannot be altered retroactively. This property makes blockchain an ideal choice for a ticketing system, eliminating problems like ticket fraud and reselling. We'll be building this ticketing system using Java, so make sure you have JDK installed on your system. You can download it from the Oracle website. Once you have Java set up, we'll also need a blockchain library. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Web3j library, which allows Java applications to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Let's initialize our project. Open your terminal and create a new directory for our ticketing system. We can use Maven for our project management. Run the following command. Once the project structure is set up, navigate to the newly created directory. Open it in your favorite IDE. You will see several folders and a pom.xml file. This file is where we manage our dependencies and project configuration. Let's create a simple model for our ticket. We'll create a ticket class that contains essential information such as event name, price, and owner address. Now, let's talk about the blockchain aspect. We will create a smart contract on Ethereum using Solidity, which will handle ticket creation, transfer, and validation. Let's create a new file named ticket.sol and define our smart contract in it. Next, we need to compile our smart contract. We can use the Web3j command line tools or plugins to generate the necessary Java binding classes. But first, let's install Truffle, which is a development environment for Ethereum. Use this command. Now that we have Truffle, let's create a new Truffle project for our smart contract. Run the following command in your terminal. Copy the ticket.sol file into the contracts folder of the Truffle project. We'll now compile the smart contract, which will generate the necessary artifacts. Run the command. After successful compilation, you should see the .json files generated under the build/contracts directory. These files contain the ABI and the contract address, which you will need to interact with your smart contract using Web3j. Next, we want to deploy our smart contract to a blockchain network. For simplicity, we will deploy to the Ethereum test network. Make sure you have MetaMask installed and create an account. After you create an account, use the test network such as RinkBuy or Robson and fund your wallet with some test ether from a faucet. Add the following deployment script to the migrations folder in your Truffle project. We'll call this script one_initial_migration.js. Once you have set up the migration script, you can deploy the contract to the test network. First, make sure you have your Web3 provider configured in the truffleconfig.js file. Add the following code segment to connect to the RinkBuy or Robson network. After your provider is set up, run the following command to deploy your smart contract. Once deployed, you'll get the contract address, which is crucial for interaction in our Java application. Now, let's link our Java application with the deployed smart contract using Web3j. Begin by creating a new class, Blockchain Connector. Inside this class, we will implement methods to create a ticket, transfer ownership, and retrieve ticket details from the blockchain. Let's start with the method to create a ticket. Now, let's create a method to transfer ticket ownership to another account. Next, we will implement a method to retrieve ticket information. This provides transparency and confidence to ticket holders. Now that we have all our methods in place, let's demonstrate how we can use these methods in our application. Create a new class called main. This will serve as the entry point of our application. Now you can run the main class, and you should see output similar to ticket created, transaction hash, and ticket details printed to your console. As a recap, today we covered the fundamentals of blockchain technology and how to implement a decentralized ticketing system using Java and Solidity. Remember, this is just the foundation. You can extend this project with front-end technologies like React or Angular, integrate payment systems, or enhance security. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Until next time, happy coding